You see, as long as I have this hairstyle in my head, my knee and elbow can't dry. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, yes, we're gonna finally try the wet look. Basically, it's a wash and go, but you're gonna try and have your dry hair look like your wet hair. You don't want your hair to be wet. You just want it to look wet. So that's why it's the wet look. So instead of aiming for big voluminous hair, we're going for sleek, flat hair. Just making sure we're both on the same page. So right now, my hair is deep conditioning under my saran wrap. So let's rinse it out right now and let's get started on this wet look. So my strategy right now is to start on soaking wet hair, apply some leave-in conditioner, a lot of gel, and then I have my secret weapon. And I know it might look like I have a lot of product on my hair, because I do. But what I've noticed with the wet look is that for it to pass as the wet look, you want to get your curls to pop, your hair needs to be shiny, and it needs to look way down. And for my head of hair, that means a lot of product.
Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something.
It's a nice wash and go, but I don't think this is comparable to my wet hair. Don't mind the terrible facial expressions. This is an outtake from last week's video. Yeah, I didn't like the shampoo. I've one other trick up my sleeve. Which product adds a lot of shine and weighs down natural textured hair more than hair grease? When you add a lot of it, which I'm gonna try and do now, but not too much. I don't want to rewash my hair right away. I'm gonna see if I can just add a little bit of this and really get my hair to shine and look way down. Tell me that don't look wet. It look greasy. I mean, greasy, wet. Can pass for the same thing, right? My hair is dry. My hair is dry. Just greasy. Just slap on more grease. I wonder if I should have just skipped the gel and the entire shower scene and just add the grease from the beginning. Ooh. Am I giving you wet? Am I giving you the wet look now? Am I giving you the wet look now? I'm definitely feeling greasy, but does it look wet? Let me know down below if you think my hair looks wet or just heavy and greasy as it feels. Anyway, Anyway, beauties, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's alright. I understand that subscribing might be a little bit of a commitment, so I'll leave more of my videos up in the iCards so you can go watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after like the second or the third video, you should realize by then that you want to join the almost 1 million of us on this channel. You don't want to miss out on the fun, so it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.